Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the MacBook here, which is my MacBook Air. It doesn't matter if it's a Pro or of course any Mac that you may have. I'm going to show you how to airdrop a file from the S26 Ultra. This is the brand new S26 Ultra that you can see here. And of course, I'll be airdropping a file over onto the Mac. Now, in order to do this, first of all, make sure that your I should say your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is up to date. So you're going to go ahead, guys, and you're going to go into your settings. So go ahead and find your settings. Once you're in settings as seen here, you're going to go ahead and check for updates. So make sure that you're on the latest software. I'm on One UI 8.5. Anything One UI 8.5 or higher will work. So go ahead and make sure you're updated. If you're already updated and you have the latest update, you should be good to go. Another way to check is to make sure that on your S26 Ultra, go to settings. Next, go to your connections. Once you're in connections here, you'll be able to find the option. If you go all the way down, you should see quick share. And of course, select quick share. Now make sure that share with Apple devices is enabled. All right, so if you do not enable share with Apple devices, what's going to happen is that it's going to be a little bit more difficult. All right, I say impossible without this feature, so you'll know you have the feature based on the fact that this is here. All right, so make sure that's on, and of course note the name of your device there. Mine is after my name, and of course type of the device, which is S26 Ultra. All right, so as soon as you're finished here, and of course you're set up on this end, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to your Mac. Next, you're gonna go to apps, which is this icon here. Go ahead and tap. You're then gonna search for airdrop. I have mine already searched, so that's airdrop. All right, you're gonna see the airdrop icon as seen here. Hope you're seeing this clearly. And guys, from here, sorry about that. Then from here, guys, once you're on that section here, you're gonna go to airdrop. So once you hit airdrop, what you're gonna do is make sure right here with this very fine text that it's set to everyone. By default, it's gonna be set to no one. If it's on no one, it will not work. If it's on contacts only, it will not work. So set it to everyone. And that's the key to make sure it's able to be seen. And of course here, what you're gonna do over from your side, which is the Galaxy S26, is go to your gallery, find a video or of course any other file that you would want to share. You're gonna tap on the file, hit the share icon here. And once you hit the share icon, you're gonna go to quick share. And of course the option is right here. Make sure that these are on the same network in your home. And then you're gonna hit quick share and it's gonna search. All right, so there you go. It found the MacBook Air. Right, so from here, go ahead and select the name of your MacBook. So as you see, my name, MacBook Air, and there you go. It appears over here and it says, my S26 Ultra would like to share a photo. Go ahead and hit save to downloads. You could decline or you could open in photos. It's your option. So for some people, it might be open in photos. As for me, I want it specifically to go to my downloads. So I'm going to say save to downloads. And there you go. And it opens up the file. So here is the file. There you go. This was the file that I took on that I needed to transfer. Right? And that's it. It's now transferred. And you could also use the QR code option that's on the screen there. And that should work for all the devices with the QR code in some cases, I think. So that's just an extra tidbit. All right, so as for this, I'll close this out. And of course, you can close this out as well. And that's it as how to transfer between the S26 Ultra and your MacBook or any MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, you name it. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.